Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to make a coffee painting. Yes, a painting out of our basic like a regular coffee powder. And the things required for that is like a little coffee powder, water, paint brushes, varnish, old cloth, handmade paper or canvas, palette and a dark sketch pen or a marker. Let's begin. Do watch the video till end because you will be able to see the step-by-step process on the screen. So to do a coffee painting, you can use any base like a canvas board or any cardboard or even an A4 size paper. That's completely upon you. Here I have used a normal or thick basically paper, not paper but a thick cardboard, and I have already drawn the flower on it. Once your tracing or drawing is ready, we will take little coffee powder and start mixing it with water and start painting it with a brush on your traced or drawn figure. And you can also divide your coffee powder in equal portions for different shades, because the different shades we would get it through water density, like 1 drop of water and then 2 drops of water. That will give you the type of shade, like the coffee shade lighter or darker. You will be able to see that in the video as well. For darker shade, you will use only 1 to 2 drops of water in the coffee powder, so it will become little thick. So that will be only then you will get the darker shade of the coffee. And always remember, while painting the entire your base or the painting, whatever the drawing, your brush needs to be wet so for a smooth flow. And as I said earlier, for the shades you will have to manage between the drops of water, water and the coffee powder. So for the darker shade you will need less water, and for the lighter and medium shades you will have to keep adding drops of water accordingly, because once you start painting you will know what kind of shade you want, a more lighter one, medium one or the darkest one. Basis that you can keep adding the water drops in the coffee powder. Also, once the painting is completely dry, do not forget to varnish the painting so that as it's coffee, so due to smell you might attract, the painting might attract ants or it might get dried up. Anything could happen because it's coffee, right? So it's a food item basically. So kindly varnish the frame and let that frame also dry for 24 hours, and that is when you can keep it just like that, or also you can frame it. By the way, this was my first try, this was my first coffee painting. Do let me know in the comment section whether you have liked my painting or not. And yes, the coffee painting is ready now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.